In this video, I'm going to show you a free alternative for Submagic. So, this alternative is called Opus Clips. You might have heard of this, but you didn't know that it has a free tier and you can use it to some extent every month for free. So, simply type Opus Clips into Google and go to the website, which is opus.pro. So, it says Opus Clips AI-powered video repurposing. You want to press it, and in here you can put in your video links, okay, and you can then get free clips, and you can even add subtitles just like you can do in Submagic. And down here, as you can see, that's kind of what it does. As you can see over here, it's kind of an example. And if I scroll down here, there's more examples of different popular and trending shorts right now, okay? And you can see all of them have captions, and they do pretty much the same thing that Submagic does. Now, the only thing I would like to point out over here is that if I go to pricing, the free tier over here, as you can see, it allows you 60 processing minutes per month, and you can have up to 1080p rendered clips with auto reframe, AI captions with emoji and keyword highlighter, which is exactly what we're looking for. And then you have to make sure that you know that it has a watermark, and you can't really edit it. And after 3 days, the clips will no longer be exportable from the Opus Clip website. So if you're using the free tier, make sure you export the videos right away, or at least within 3 days, because otherwise they may get deleted and you could lose what you have just produced, okay? And yeah, it's called Opus Clips. Yet again, you can Google it and then use it to create your videos, and I hope this video helped you out.